honey garlic jalapeno chicken wings, fresh out of my air fryer and soon to be fresh out of yours. This recipe right here is smacking, jam-packed with so much flavor. You are gonna absolutely love this one. So we're not gonna waste any time and we're gonna get right on into it. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna begin with about 2 pounds of chicken wings. We're just gonna drop a little bit of oil on top and give them a nice luxurious massage. And let me know in the comments below, are you team flats or are you team drums? Let me know. You know it's flats all day with me, baby. So anyways, we got to season our chicken wings up proper. On the screen I've listed everything to do so. It's my little all-purpose seasoning blend and it will be listed in the description box as well. Once you have that taken care of, you want to go ahead and load them into your air fryer tray. We're going to let these bad boys go for about 16 to 17 minutes at 385 Fahrenheit. And you do want to flip them halfway through the cooking process. In the meanwhile, we got to work on that delicious sauce. So I have 2 jalapeno peppers. We are going to dice up one and the other one we're going to use as a garnish. So we're going to slice it. So as far as this first jalapeno, if you want it to be a little spicy, you want to keep the insides of that jalapeno in there. If you're just looking for a little bit of the flavor of the jalapeno and not so much of the heat, you can remove the inside. So all I'm doing here is just dicing it up just like so. And like I said, the other one will be sliced up as a garnish to look oh so beautiful when we plate up our wonderful dish. So once we have that taken care of, we got to get that sauce going, baby. So I have my pan here to about a medium. I'm dropping in a half a stick of salted butter. We're going to also introduce that sliced up jalapeno pepper. We're going to toss in about a tablespoon of minced garlic, some honey, and a little bit of drop of soy sauce. You want to get all of those ingredients combined in your pan, let it come up to a simmer, let it reduce slightly. You want it to be a little bit of sticky, if you know what I mean. And then once that's taken care of, your sauce is done and ready to go. So once that time has passed, your chicken should be pretty much done. So once you take your chicken out of the air fryer, it should be looking something like this. I'm talking about so darn beautiful. You just want to eat it just like this, but you got to hold off. We got to get that yummy sauce on top. So go ahead and get your chicken into a mixing bowl just like so. And we're going to toss that sauce right over the top. And we're going to toss it up and get everything well coated. Man, oh man. When I tell you this is bussin', come on, please believe me. This is nothing but pressure on your screen right here. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Last step is get your finest china up out of the cabinet because it is time to plate up. Can't wait for you guys to try this one for real. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like, comment down below, let me know what you think about today's video. And I will see you all on the next one. Deuces.